How to speed up your slow laptop on Windows. What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you guys how you can easily speed up and boost performance of your Windows laptop. So let's just get started. First thing you're going to have to do is go to Start menu and then open up Settings. Once you open up your settings, you're just going to have to go to System and then scroll all the way to the bottom until you find About. Here you'll find all of the specifications about your device. So all you have to do here is just scroll down and then go to this option where it says Advanced System Settings. Click on it, and this pop-up will appear on your screen. Now all you have to do here is go to Performance Settings and adjust this for best performance. So what it does is it will turn off all of these animations and your Windows will feel much smoother and faster. Now click on Apply and then OK, and you should be good to go. So if you want to go back, you could just go ahead and click on Let Windows choose what's best for my computer, and then click on Apply, and then OK again. And once you've done that, you should be good to go. Now once you close this out, the next thing you can do is just go ahead and search for services here, and open Microsoft Services. Once you open your system services, you're just going to have to go ahead and turn off the automatic start for certain things. So you could just go ahead and go to Bluetooth and right click on it, go to properties. And if the startup type is automatic, you can set this to manual, click on apply and then OK, and you should be good to go. So once you close this out, you can just restart your PC and your performance will be boosted significantly. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next